We will guide you through how to link pages in Confluence. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding to the next step. Go to 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘.com/software/confluence and wait for the homepage to load completely before continuing. Click Sign In to open the Atlassian sign-in page. On the Atlassian sign-in page, enter your email address carefully in the email field, making sure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Click Continue to proceed to the password page, where you will be asked to enter your account password. Enter your password carefully in the password field, ensuring that it is entered correctly before continuing. Click Login to access your Atlassian account and wait for your account to finish loading. Click the app switcher icon next to your profile picture to display the available Atlassian applications connected to your account. Select Confluence to access your Confluence workspace. Open the space that you want to use. Open the page where you want to add a page link and wait for it to load completely before continuing. Highlight the text that you want to use as the link by clicking and dragging your cursor across the desired words or phrase. Click the link icon on the toolbar to open the link insertion window. In the search field, search for the Confluence page that you want to link by entering its title or relevant keywords. Select the page from the search results, making sure you have chosen the correct destination before continuing. The selected text is now linked to the selected Confluence page. To verify the link, click the link text to display the available link options. Click the Open link in a new tab icon to open the linked Confluence page and confirm it directs you to the correct destination. You have now successfully linked pages in Confluence.